Howdy, howdy. Join Sherns Jackie, Lady Denise Gomez Green, and Max Poet this Saturday, January 25th at 10 a.m. for another lively edition of Saturday Morning Run-ins. This week we're diving into the topic, life in rural Jamaica, the beauty, the challenges, and the resilience of the countryside. We'll explore the breathtaking landscapes, the deep sense of community, and the struggles that make rural Jamaicans so resilient. Plus, we'll share memories, wisdom, and traditions that keep the countryside alive in our hearts. It's happening live on Inside the Zone with Lady Denise Gomez Green, and Inside the Zone on Facebook, and Lady Denise Gomez Green on LinkedIn. So, grab your coffee, grab your hot chocolate or your tea, call your friends and tell them to tune in this Saturday at 10 a.m. for Saturday Morning Run-ins. Let's celebrate rural Jamaica together. Don't miss it.